Today you will learn how to upload Adobe Illustrator file to Canva. Please subscribe to Easy Guide YouTube channel. So here I have an Illustrator file with these different shapes and some text which is completely editable. Let's see how we will upload this editable file to canva.com. Let me save this file, keep the setting as it is and press OK. Now go to canva.com and in this right corner click upload. Click choose file, select the file and click open. While the file is uploading, make sure to support and subscribe the channel. So here is our Illustrator file. Simply click this and this file will open in a new tab. So you can see our Illustrator file is looking same as it was looking in Adobe Illustrator. Let me close this. The text is still editable. You can resize the shapes and also you can change the position. It means you can upload these simple types of Illustrator files to Canva without any problem. Now let me open Adobe Illustrator and show you if I move these shapes closer in Adobe Illustrator and if I upload this file again. Now you can see as our shapes was closer to each other, so Canva is treating these as a single shape. So there is still some compatibility issue in Canva, but overall we can upload and edit some small changes in Canva. Our text is still editable. So I hope you have learned how to upload Adobe Illustrator file to Canva. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.